Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a grid report of submissions in Jotform Report Builder. This is incredibly useful when you want to view all your form submissions in a clean, organized table format that you can customize and share with your team. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your login credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms and reports are managed, so make sure you're logged into the correct account if you have multiple workspaces. After signing in, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to a page displaying all the forms you've created or have access to. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to generate a report for. Once you've found your preferred form, you'll notice a small checkbox beside it. Go ahead and check that box to select the form. With your form selected, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see several options. Click on Reports, and then from the menu that appears, click Add New Report. This opens up the report creation interface where you can choose from different report types from the available options. Select Grid Listing. This report type is perfect for displaying your form submissions in a straightforward grid format, similar to a spreadsheet, making it easy to scan through multiple entries at once. The system will begin preparing your report layout, so give it a moment to load. Next, you'll want to review the Fields section that appears. This is where you can customize which columns will be displayed in your grid report. By default, Jotform includes fields like Submission ID and Submission IP, but you might not need all of these. Simply uncheck any unwanted fields to remove them from your report. This helps keep your grid clean and focused on the information that matters most to you. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find several configuration options that allow you to fine-tune how your report behaves and displays. If you want to protect your report with a password, toggle the password protection option on, then enter your desired password in the field that appears. This ensures that only authorized users can view your submission data. You'll also see options to display photos if your form collects image submissions, show edit URLs, which provides direct links to edit individual submissions, same frame which keeps the report within Jotform's interface, and auto fit grid, which automatically adjusts column widths to fit your screen. Toggle these on or off based on your preferences. Additionally, if you want to control how tall your grid appears, you can adjust the maximum height in pixels by entering a specific number. Once you've configured all your settings to your liking, locate the Create button and click it. Your grid report will now be generated and saved to your Reports section, where you can access it anytime to view your form submissions in this organized format. And that's it. You've successfully created a customized grid report that displays your Jotform submissions exactly how you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.